To enable or disable Hide My Device Mobile Hotspot in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Connections Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Tap Connections. Tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot. Tap More icon. Tap Configure Mobile Hotspot. Check Hide My Device to enable, or uncheck to disable. And then tap Save. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.